want Coca-Cola.
Pero actor ngayon, kaya mo na, hindi ka pa sanay. Illegal immigrant and semi-truck driver Sukhdeep Singh, 25, after he ran a red light causing a crash
I want
that killed elderly man in
I want
Indiana.
a balloon, Papa. Wow.
Bakit daw sabi ganun? Why are they all named Singh?
Wow. No more, no more.
For the same, their head banana.
Coca-Cola again. Hiya.
Okay, pautang na pala si Mama, 60K.
Kanino?
Sa ano, 10%.
Yehey! Nag-message, sabi mo ba? Kanino?
Nagpautang na pala.
Kanino?